coming right over.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. So Dayna and I have spent the last maybe 4 or 5 days pretty hardcore trying to put in all of the fence posts for the future garden. And we're getting there. Some days have been more of a struggle than others. If you've ever tried to put a fence post in on a quarry, that's pretty much what we're dealing with. Thankfully, we had the excavator to sort of make it happen, because I don't think we could have done it otherwise. But we have 5 posts out of 22. We have 5 posts left to put in today. And today's the day we need to knock it out. It's about 38 this morning, so it's a little bit cold. But we're excited. I think one of the days we had done 5, one of the days we did 7, and then the last day, which wasn't yesterday, the day before, we were able to do 6. Yesterday we finished up the fire pit that's down there. Hopefully, if I haven't put that video out, it's coming out soon. But we have 5 posts left to just get the fence posts in. I know that that's only a quarter of the battle. You know, next comes the fence and everything else that goes along with it. But I didn't anticipate putting in these posts being as difficult as it was, and it's a bit taxing. But we're excited that these are the last 5 posts. So we're gonna try and jump at it real early this morning. It's supposed to get really nice today. Yesterday was kind of overcasty and cloudy and windy, and wasn't exactly the nicest day to work. But yeah, we're gonna jump down there and pretty much get started. But I'm gonna kind of prep for everything before Dayna comes out. She's kind of taking care of Jedi this morning and making sure he's all good, because he'll probably wind up hanging in the Shabin for a few hours while we basically get the posts in. Later on, we'll let him run around when we're doing probably the last post or 2, but he seems to want to get into everything while we're moving dirt, and he's eating everything under the sun. So better for him to just kind of hang out while we work. But this is going to be an exciting day when we get these last 5 posts in. It will be very celebratory. So stick around, and we'll meet you guys down in the garden.